What's up, traders? JTradingLive.com. I'm Jay. This is the Trading 101 video series, and today we're going to talk about trend lines. The trend line is like the screwdriver in your charting toolbox. It's going to be the tool that you use most often, and all it takes is 2 points to make a trend. Here we have 1, 2. Now we've got a trend line. Third hit. Now we've got a confirmed trend line, and you can see we popped from here. Almost came down and touched it, and actually touched it today and a couple days ago. You can see we bounced off. Now, as we came off of this strong move here, we actually started a new trend, which you can draw here. And see, we hit 1, 2, now we've got a trend line, 3, confirmed trend line, 4, and now we've got a little bit of a safety net underneath us on this trend line as well. What we also have here is a channel, it appears. And let's just take this trend line off for now. You can see we're actually in a parallel channel. Like we said, 1, 2, we hit here, bam, bam, bam. Broke out here but fell back through, tested it again and fell. So now we're about to hit the bottom of this channel line. So this is a pretty strong chart formation we got going on right now. So we're going to have a little fun with this chart, as there's actually trend lines all over the place. But let's extend this back a little further. And you see we could have actually started here. And now we can kind of come in and adjust our trend line based off that. And see that we're actually hitting the bottom of this channel now. Not only do we have the trend line starting here, you have gap right here. Stock gaps under the trend line, which is makes a strong move right there. Blah blah blah. Let's check out this one. Let's see how far this goes back. Oh, hey, wow, look at that. So your channel then actually starts way back here. So your channel fell through, popped back up, and now we're riding this channel up and down again. So a good thing with drawing your trend lines is, drawing them out as far as you can, sending them back as far as you can to see if you can find places where you can really tighten, like your screwdriver, just really tighten things up as you're moving forward. So let's also take a quick look at where our stochastics are at each one of these points where we're hitting the trend line. So you can see now we're oversold, bam, oversold, bam, oversold. Here, is not really giving us too much. And where the trend started is oversold. We're overbought when we hit the top. We're overbought when we hit the top. We're overbought when we hit the top. And we're overbought when we hit the top. Now let's zoom out and take a look at a downtrend and see what kind of indications this gives us. And so we can kind of lay that in there like that. And immediately you can see, had you been focusing your downtrend, 1, 2, all along here, and then we come down and tested it here, finally broke through, and got a little bit of a test right here, making this a super strong signal, as it's a retest of the downtrend and sitting on the uptrend. And as you can see, got a nice powerful move out of that. Again, showing the importance of drawing your trend lines out and anticipating moves in the future from them. So while we're here, let's go in a little closer on the trend line that we are on and point out a couple other little things. There's no exact science to technical trading in the stock market. Everybody wants things in a nice little box. Okay, it touched the trend line exactly here, exactly here, exactly. Oh no, we've violated the trend line. Get out while your shirt's still on your back. No, see, we popped right back up and made this nice move. Now, when we do break through, of course, you want to pay a little more, attention to this area, and give yourself a little stop here. I would say, come in and I would draw a little, little line here, and if we were to fall beneath here, then I would get out. Then I would say this is violated. This violating the trend line here is not violating the trend line. You have to give room for your trades to breathe. So we'll be talking about trend lines more as we incorporate them into more of our trading videos, but that's a pretty good start for now. Again, this video is brought to you by JTradingLive.com. Come by and check us out during live market hours, where I'm breaking down charts and showing nice setups. Thanks a lot. Trade smart.